Almost every tutorial about Seedance 2.0 is trying to sell you a subscription. So, instead of listening to them, I decided to test every free method I could find myself. This cinematic clip you're watching right now was generated completely free. No subscription, no watermark. And in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how I did it. And more importantly, the limitations you need to know before you waste your time. Right now, Seedance 2.0 is everywhere. Social media is full of cinematic AI videos, and almost every creator is saying the same thing. Just use Seedance. But once you actually try to use it, things get confusing. One platform asks for $30 a month. Another locks the model behind a paid plan. Then you find videos claiming it's completely free, but when you follow the steps, they either lead to sponsored tools or methods that aren't practical at all. So I stopped watching tutorials and tested everything myself. And after spending hours trying every free option I could find, I finally found one that actually works. Stay with me, because there's one limitation almost every tutorial leaves out. It won't stop you from using the tool, but it will completely change your expectations of the free version. Before I show you the workflow, let me quickly explain what makes Seedance 2.0 different. Most AI video tools ask you for a prompt and generate a clip. Seedance does that too, but the quality is what immediately stood out during testing. The movement feels natural, characters stay believable, camera motion looks smooth, and the overall result feels far more cinematic than what we've seen from earlier AI video models. Is it perfect? No, but it's one of the most impressive free AI video experiences I've tested recently. Now the real question is, where do you actually access it without paying for another subscription? That's where things get interesting. The platform is called Dola AI. Link is in the description. When you first open it, it looks like a normal AI chatbot. Clean, simple interface. You can even use chat and image generation without creating an account. But for video generation, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. No credit card, no paid subscription. Just sign in, enter your date of birth, and you're inside in under a minute. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and click Create Video. The interface changes and you'll see Seedance 2.0 already selected as the model. Choose your clip length, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Choose your aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok. Now write your prompt and hit Generate. You'll notice Dola tells you the generation will cost 2 points and shows how many you have left. Don't worry about that yet. We'll come back to it in a moment. First, the quality genuinely surprised me. The motion was smooth, the scene stayed consistent, and it even generated background audio automatically that matched the video. I didn't add any sound myself, it was already there. Now here's the workflow I'd actually recommend for content creators. Instead of going straight from text to video, start by creating an image first using Dola's image generator. Generate a few options, pick the best one, then use it as a reference for your video. That one extra step gives you much more control. Your character stays consistent. Your environment stays consistent. If you're building stories or creating content where visual consistency matters, image to video is the workflow to use every time. Now, the limitation I promised. Here's exactly how the free plan works. Every day, Dola gives you 6 free points. Each video costs 2 points. That means 3 videos per day, then your points refresh the next day. And one more thing, video generation isn't instant. Each clip took around 5 minutes in my testing. If you need to generate dozens of videos every day, this free plan won't be enough. But if you're learning AI video, testing prompts, or creating clips for your own content, 3 high-quality Seedance 2.0 videos per day, completely free, is a solid starting point. You'll see tutorials telling you to create multiple fake accounts to bypass this limit. I'm not going to recommend that. I'd rather show you exactly what the platform offers. On the watermark question, every video I generated came out completely clean. No watermark. Ready to use straight away. Platforms can change their policies, so always check your own export before publishing. But based on my testing, the output was clean. So here's my honest verdict. If you want to start creating cinematic AI videos without paying for another subscription, Dola AI is one of the best free ways to access Seedance 2.0 right now. The quality is real, setup takes under a minute, and the free plan is enough to learn the workflow before deciding if you need something more. Just keep the limitations in mind and you won't be disappointed. That's everything I found after testing Seedance 2.0 myself. The Dola AI link is in the description. Completely free, no credit card needed. If this saved you hours of trial and error, hit the like button. It helps this channel reach more creators who want honest information instead of hype. And if you want AI tool breakdowns based on real testing, not sponsored opinions, subscribe to Decoded AI Tools. I test these tools so you don't have to. I'll see you in the next one. If I haven't tested it myself, I won't recommend it. That's the promise behind this channel.